How to share your location on WhatsApp using your iPhone 8 Plus. Whether you want to send your current location or share your live location in real time, the process is quick and easy. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Next, open the chat with the person or group where you want to share your location. Now, tap the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the chat screen. From the menu that appears, tap Location. If this is your first time using this feature, WhatsApp may ask for permission to access your location. Tap Allow while using app or Allow once to continue.
Here, you'll see two options: Share live location and Send your current location. If you want to send your current location only once, tap Send your current location. If you want the other person to see your location as you move, tap Share live location. Choose how long you want to share it, and then tap the Send button. That's it. Your location will be shared instantly in the WhatsApp chat. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.